And so, there is a narrative challenge here in the housing space, right? And there is a conversation challenge where, having those conversations and really explaining where and how we, make housing affordable, and where this conversation is likely going to go is it's a bit of a generational thing, right? And so like people who are my age, or younger in their 30s who are priced out and are still living in their parents' basements, like those are the people who, in a couple years time, this is going to be the number one issue for them when they go to the ballot box and not something else. And whether that elects who that elects, I don't know, but all it takes is someone saying, I'll make housing affordable for you. And, that could drive votes in a very big way. And so, it's about listening to, so I hear the politicians, sort of hearing the voices of their constituents to a degree.
But the voices that are the loudest from their constituents are the people that already own their houses and they're in their 50s and 60s. And I pointed this out, and again, it fell on deaf ears. I'm like, you guys are creating...
The political calculus is this. The people in the 50s and 60s turn out to vote at like an 80 clip. And the people in their 20s and 30s show up at a 20 or 30% clip. And so, there are challenges there, and those challenges take some time to unwind. But getting back to like, let's speed things up, right? The little things like ADUs, and those tiny things, like it's all tied together with culture, right? And like there's a shift in culture that's needed across Canada, not just in Windsor,
across the Western world, across Brazil. It's hitting all kinds of countries at the same time concurrently.
But particularly in North America has unique challenges, I think, in the context of that, because we're so population not dense from a population density